Hey, this is Scott with Team Houdini and thescarefactor.com. Tonight we're at Cheeseman's Fright Farm, located in Portersville, PA. I found this haunt in the early 2000s. Here we have the queue line, which sometimes can wrap around in front of Betsy's barn here. It was a cold, rainy, and foggy night, which gave it a cool ambience. They also have an area where you can buy pizza, all cooked in a stone oven. We usually grab a pizza, or 2 or 3. Mark got some candy apples. They also have some yummy sweet treats inside. And they have Betsy's barn. In here they have all kinds of fall decorations. Pumpkins you can purchase. Thought it was pretty cool that they have all the t-shirts from the previous years, dating back to the early 2000s, probably about when I first started coming out. What I like about Cheeseman's is the haunt is actually really set far back from the entrance. This is a 165-acre lot, and from the ticket line and Betsy's barn, you really can't see too much of the haunt. Maybe a few lights in the distance. You might hear some screams, but you can't see everything. So everything's pretty much shrouded in mystery. And now it's time to enter Cheeseman's Fright Farm. Here we go. He is primed.
Whoa! He just jumped right over that. Okay.
Yeah, jumped right over. I thought he was
He got those young knees. Oh!
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 He shot me.
Oh! Ghost train.
I must be on hit.
Welcome to the end of the line. I have a few rules. No food or drink, no smoking of any kind. Good luck.
Thank you.
These guys watch your step.
All right.
Get off the wagon because we got to feed the dead.
Yes, sir.
Watch
Thanks.
your steps, please.
All right.
Good luck.
What the hell is that?
What is that?
I don't know.
Really? Oh, that sounds like leather.
Oh, the floor vibrates. Okay.
Okay.
The floor is literally shaking.
You enjoy that, Ray?
My foot was itching.
Yeah.
Wow.
I know. It kind of tickled. Oh, this is narrow. A little. Well, I can't see. Crap. Yeah. Going into a club.
What are these called? A vortex?
Yeah, vortex tunnel. Uh-oh. What's up there?
I'll never be done all night.
Oh! Going to the corner.
Dinner!
That's
Cool
what we're
little
waiting for.
fog effect. I can't wait for dinner. I'm starving. Well, you alright?
I don't know. I thought this
It does look like there's
Yeah,
like a
it looks like a handrail, but it's not.
Yeah.
Alright, this is oh yeah, this is cool. Little fog.
I feel like there's someone in front of me. Wait, no, it's
Okay.
claustrophobic.
Claustrophobic. Oh, I'm too fat. Lots of fog. Oh, it's so tight. That is a very tight one.
It's too quiet.
It's a little too quiet.
You weren't moving fast enough, man.
Yeah. Okay. Kind of like, oh, we're out in the maze now.
See, their fog machines do work.
Yeah, fog, strobes. Oh wow, yeah, a lot of fog.
Lots of fun.
I think it's a dead end.
There's a way to get around here.
What?
I think you're supposed to go that way, Scott. I think you're supposed
That's
to.
Mark, and I'm not going that way.
I think you're supposed to.
For
I
real?
think you're supposed to go that way. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say to Scott. I knew Mike was going that
Okay.
way.
I can't see.
I can't see anything.
I think we're just running a circle, Mark.
We need to go over here.
I can't see anything.
Over here is somewhere new.
I think that's the point. No, I think that's somewhere old. That's where we came in at. It's the same guy. Keeps scaring us.
Oh.
Go that way, Mark. I think it's.
No, this is not the same way we came in.
No, it's not. Alright, you're right. Yeah. Chrome.
I was driving the traffic. She was.
I guess we're supposed to go over here.
I guess we're supposed to go there.
Watch out. I think the floor's moved.
Yep, the floor's moved.
The floor's moving.
Oh no.
Mark, you going the wrong way again.
I'm looking for the emergency.
We counted the other day. On the one video, you tried to go out the emergency exit 3 times.
Really?
Yeah. Adora thought it was quite funny.
That is kind of funny. Oh, he's back.
I wasn't paying
I
attention.
didn't even tie my boots, man. I'm gonna fall.
I did.
Roll down the hill.
Look at this. Intestines.
Get Billy.
I didn't even see that one.
Do you want to play a game? Ooh. That's creepy.
Yeah. Lots of nuns this year. What was that? Whoa. Man.
They knocked the corn off the car.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Don't touch my hammer.
Oh.
Hi!
Hi.
What took you guys so long to get here?
Tractor was slow.
You got lost? Yeah. It's not that hard to get through.
It was.
Not really.
You're being led by someone.
Well, I mean, you have your eyes and your ears. You have all 5 senses, right?
Except common.
Common sense is not there.
You guys want to play a game with me?
Sure.
You ever played a game called Limbo?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Mark, you can walk right under there.
I mean, maybe. Do you mind flub your face? Careful. Good job. I'm proud of you all. You did great.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We win.
Did they win? Or do you? Yeah, kind of.
Playing Limbo.
Playing Limbo?
Yeah.
That's pretty fun. You know what else is fun?
What's
that?
Walking through the dark.
All right.
Okay.
Don't get lost now.
He
We
will.
can only lose
I
so
will.
many before we get in trouble.
He is going to get knocked off.
Well,
Where's the emergency?
hopefully he'll find his way out. But
Hopefully.
It is pretty dark in here. She was right about that.
Yeah.
Which way you guys want to go? Because I always
I
go.
don't know more.
We'll just follow you.
Okay.
You're in charge.
This is tight.
Well, you guys shouldn't have followed me.
We can't go through that drape there?
No.
Okay.
Maybe. Okay, yeah, we can.
Yeah, I just say. I feel like we're.
What's in the emergency exit, guys?
Oh, look, there's a mirror that makes you look thin.
Hey,
kidding.
it's not working. It's not working for us.
Have you come to party?
Yeah,
Yeah.
You've come to party with us?
Yeah.
definitely.
Anybody got some brains too?
No brains
Yeah,
here.
the song brings.
Not even little children? No
No.
snacks?
No.
We forgot them.
Oh, you're supposed to have snacks.
Sorry.
We ate them.
You ate them?
We're fat.
Why'd you eat them?
It was delicious.
Oh, did you eat my blood pie too?
Probably.
Well, if you have no candy, proceed.
All
You have no
right.
snacks
Yeah, I'm already
either.
like in here.
Mark's already gone.
Hey, why you have the flashlight?
So we can see you.
That's cheating, you know.
Yeah.
Now my light doesn't work.
Oh.
You don't
Well,
get
hold
my
on.
effect.
Now I do.
Ooh, I like it.
Well, thank you.
It's nice.
Cool.
Now get out of here. This is my trail.
Wait, I can't see nothing now.
Corey. Hello.
Hello.
It's nice to see you
Hey,
again.
yeah, we know you.
I know.
We made it.
No, you're not
Really?
I hear something. No, we can't.
Hey, we're too big to run.
Reaper.
Good, finally. Yeah. And you had a bad day.
Be careful, it's slippery up here.
Okay. It is slippery when bloody. Ah, there's Freddy as Freddy.
That's fine. That was one of my eyes. Happy Halloween, everyone.
Thanks, you too. Oh.
Congratulations, you've reached the end of the dark side.
Thank you.
In this room, you are permitted to take photos and photograph. If you choose not to, you may pick up. You see the live snakes above by the fire
Okay.
and wait for the next wagon.
Thank you.
The choice is yours.
I don't know what to do. I think we should get a picture.
Yeah, you guys would definitely look good over there.
Yeah.
I'm good everywhere.
Yeah.
Give me the man.
It's the thinnest you ever looked.
Yay.
Yeah, it looks like you lost half your body. You're pretty thin.
I'm finally
You
thin.
both have
Losing a
become a
lot of weight.
woman. Not that the boys.
Yeah, be a woman.
There you go.
I'm sexy and you know it.
Oh my. Alright.
You gentlemen have a great evening.
Thank you, you too.
And happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
He's missing some of his
Yeah.
I like that.
Oh,
The train.
it says no clowns allowed.
Ha!
Not allowed in here.
Do not hold the door open.
Oh, there's a lot.
Look at that snake.
Please close the door.